Hello, today we are going to talk about solubility. So, solubility is the maximum amount of substance that can be dissolved in a given amount of solvent at a specific temperature. A substance can be soluble that dissolves completely in water and insoluble does not dissolve in water. Okay, so what is a solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture formed when a solute dissolves in a solvent. For example, solute is sodium chloride, okay, and solvent is water. So the solution is salt solution. We have talked about that a lot of time. Why are solubility rules important? Solubility rules help chemists to predict whether a salt will dissolve, okay, identify if a precipitate will form, prepare insoluble salt, understand the chemical reaction in aqueous solution. Okay, common solubility rules. First of all nitrates are soluble. Okay, any nitrate ion, all the compounds that contain nitrate ions dissolve in water. Okay, for example, sodium nitrate, silver nitrate, copper nitrate. Okay, all is soluble. All sodiums, potassiums, and ammonium salts are soluble. Okay, salt contains any of these ions: potassium, sodium, potassium, ammonium. They are always soluble. Okay, remember those things. Okay. For example, sodium chloride is soluble, potassium sulfate is soluble, ammonium carbonate is soluble. Most chlorides are also soluble. Okay, most chloride dissolve except silver chloride. Why? Because silver is a non-soluble material, and lead chloride. Okay, example is NaCO is soluble. Yes. Potassium chloride. Yes. AgCl no. Pb lead insoluble, slightly soluble in hot water, but not that much. Okay. Most sulfates are also soluble. Okay. For example, barium sulfate, lead sulfate, calcium sulfate is slightly soluble. Okay. Example is sodium sulfate soluble, copper sulfate soluble, BSO4 no, it's not soluble. PbSO4 lead most of the time is not soluble. Carbonates are insoluble. Okay, the exception is sodium, potassium, ammonium because their positive ions are so much soluble that they will overcome the power of carbonate ions. Okay, all the others are insoluble. For example, calcium carbonate is insoluble. Copper carbonate is insoluble. That is sodium carbonate. That is soluble. Okay, that didn't follow the general rule. Most hydroxides are insoluble. For example, sodium hydroxide is not that much. Sorry, that is exception. Sodium hydroxide, we have done a lot of examples on acid base reaction. Sodium hydroxide is soluble. Okay, potassium hydroxide is soluble, and ammonium hydroxide is soluble. That we discussed above as well. Sorry, just the slightly miss or slip of tongue. Calcium hydroxide is slightly soluble. That's why calcium hydroxide is not a that much powerful base. Okay, it's a weaker base. Okay, sodium, yes. Potassium hydroxide, yes. Calcium, slightly. Other than that, that is not soluble. Solubility summary table. So nitrates are always soluble. Sodium salts always soluble. Potassium salts always soluble. Ammonium salts, yes, they are always soluble. Chloride, except for we have talked about lead and silver, they are not soluble. Okay. Sulfates are soluble except these three: barium, lead, and calcium. Carbonate are insoluble except when they have sodium positive ion, potassium positive ion, or ammonia positive ion. Hydroxide is insoluble except NaOH, KOH, NH4OH. Okay.